Hello, hello, hello everybody. There's my garlic. This is part 2 of my video. Michael's gonna hold it. And got my garlic going outside. Smells good. Now my curry powder. Okay, that nice. Oh, Michael's sneezing already. Lots of turmeric in there. Just let it fry there. Watch it let it fry. Just gonna add some water. Okay, there we go. So that. Okay. And then I usually put my cream inside. Okay, got that going there. It's cooking really good. I usually let this go like this. I put my potatoes in there because the fish doesn't take long to cook. So you just throw all this stuff in there, your potatoes. You're gonna do the onions, you let that cook a bit. Okay. And it's really hot. It's gonna cook nice outside. You let that simmer, or they say chunky. Okay. And we're going to see if the fish is done. I'm going to test it. You can test it with some green onion.
Not hot. The gas on? Oh, it is on. It's just not hot. It'll take a while.
It's going to take a while for this. I think I'll just do it in the middle burner.
You leave them both on still.
Because that's wasting the gas there. There, see?